What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Michelle and it is a pleasure to have you here. So today is Friday. This week I haven't been vlogging that much just because I'm sitting on so much content that I'm trying to just edit and put it out. I just uploaded something, I think it was like yesterday or 2 days ago. I have something else scheduled for the weekend, and then I have something else scheduled for like a week from now. So I've been trying to stay consistent. February, so let's just catch up. February was great. I felt like I was vlogging a lot. I was very consistent. I was even putting out 2 videos a week. Then towards the end of the month, it got super hectic for me. I was overwhelmed. I was taking so many partnerships and I was like, okay, hold on, like I need to slow down. One, I'm eating way too much, so I'm gonna start gaining weight. 2, I feel like, excuse me, I feel like I need to refocus. And one, that like now I know that it's possible. So now that I know it's possible, I have to refocus and really figure out what my goal is. What is up, you guys? All right, so I am currently in the kitchen. I am making my parents a pizza. This morning, my mom actually mentioned to me how she didn't have time to cook anything. So I am now here making them a pizza. I think I'm actually gonna make them a little bit of pasta too, just in case they don't only want to eat pizza, and then they'll have leftovers for tomorrow. So of course the dough, I always get it at Publix. I have some veggies that I'm cutting up, some onion, green peppers, red peppers, and I have to see if she has garlic. Hopefully she does, so like that I can kind of drizzle it on top afterwards with a little bit of butter. But yeah, I'm just gonna be cooking here, and later, well, not later, in a little bit I have to start getting ready because I'm going to Tokyo Club in South Beach today. It's a sushi spot, it's a club. I'm super excited and I have to dress up a little bit, so I'm gonna try to get this out of the way quick so like that we can get to me getting ready.
Perfect role to help you tell your story.
I can't open this. So the pizza is basically done. The pasta's about to get taken out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I have to now get ready. So cool though. Alright, so we came to Icy and Spicy, but right next door they have a restaurant called the Birdcage Cafe. So let's see. So the cup is fine, thank you.
Okay. You wanna come here?
Should I have the names on this side.
Okay. Yeah. No problem. You see the lighting. The reflection of the. This used to be the Versace mansion. I just tried to see if my friend was working, my client was working, but they didn't want to let us in, so we're not welcomed. It's alright. The food's not good anyway.
I have heard that.
It's still crazy that he really got killed in front of his house.
You're right. I can't even understand.
By a random person. Like it used to be like I've heard it before, like it was like a random, like an ex-lover, but it wasn't. It was just like some random dude.
Did you
gosh, wait. Oh, right here. I haven't been there either. Really? I've been there too, girl. Spring break. Go everywhere. You be everywhere, honey. Oh, how nice. Yo, this store is fire.